Shut the front door. The Happymodel Sailfly X has arrived. 23S FPV racer drone with a slight ding in the box. This is going to be a beauty. Okay, like usual, link in the description. This comes from my good friends at Banggood. And I'm just going to try and get it in the box here without having to have an awkward pause and get a pair of scissors. Right, what do we have in here? Okay, interesting. We have a bag of parts. We have the matchstick whoop. And we have 4 300 milliamp batteries. With your standard connector. And what else is in here? Our standard Chinese instruction manual for binding and updating via a Betaflight, etc. So it's going to be fun. Betaflight. If you're new to Betaflight, which I am a little bit, yeah, she's pretty daunting. So beware. I don't want to burn out the control on this one. I've done that with another little whoop of mine, so I can't use it anymore. This one here, in fact, the UK65. Yeah, before I could even get it in the sky. So, alright. Let's have a look in the plastic bag quickly. We have a purple hood. Should you decide that red's not enough bling for you, you can go purple. Now your standard crappy screwdriver, which you've probably got a million of. We have a nice Velcro battery strap. We have, to empty it, a nice purple battery holder. Some spare props, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And a prop pulley thingy majigamy out of it. So if you're not familiar with this little racing drone here, this is the Happymodel Sailfly X 105mm, the Crazybee F4 racing drone. So it's got a little 700 TBL camera in it. Up here is your micro USB for your Betaflight. Hooking up underneath, nice little battery holder. Weighs in at 2.8 grams. The motors are the EX1102 8500 kV motors. Don't know if you can see them there. It's yeah, quite a decent little motor on these things. Great. Quite a decent construction. The frame feels really strong. Carbon fibre looking frame. It does have a nice solid feel to it. Some other drones, some other whoops in the past, you know, they are a bit flimsy and a bit bouncy, but this one feels quite quite solid and decent. Quick size comparison, pretty much the same size when you look at the props. This is the Mobula7. There you have it, guys, just a quick unboxing. Again, link in the description of this little racing whoop. I'm going to go have a fly. I'm going to pair it up with my my Quantum Cyclops and do some DVR recording. I'll let you know how easy it is to bind with the Taranis with my new grips, and let's get some footage going and see how this thing fares, and hopefully I won't destroy it before I get a video going. Before I fly it though, yeah, I need to Betaflight it, make sure everything is as it should be, as I don't want to destroy this little baby just yet. Awesome. No worries, guys, drop us a comment. Click that bell, plenty more videos to come of this little racer and a few others in the pipeline. So great to see you. Thumbs up. See you in the sky. Sky Pilot. Catch you later.